On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss data types in JavaScript. We explain each data type in JavaScript, categorized into primitive types and object types. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. JavaScript has data types for classifying values, which can be broadly divided into primitive types and object types. Data types determine what kind of data is stored in a variable and influence how it can be manipulated. Primitive types are simple data types that represent a single value. JavaScript has the following 7 primitive types. Number is a type used for handling numerical values, including integers and floating point numbers, decimals. Handling values that exceed certain limits results in infinity or nan, not a number. In JavaScript, numbers are represented as floating point numbers. As a result, certain decimals, especially those that cannot be precisely represented in binary, may not be accurately expressed. When precise calculations are required, such as for monetary values, it is necessary to avoid such rounding errors. For example, you can use big int or adjust the number of decimal places with to fixed. String is a data type used for handling text, representing a sequence of characters. It is represented by enclosing text in single quotes or double quotes. From ES6 onwards, template literals allow easy embedding of variables using backticks. To embed a variable, use the $ syntax. Boolean represents a logical value and can only have 2 values, true or false. It is used as the result of conditional expressions or as a flag. Null is a data type that explicitly indicates no value. Null is set by developers to indicate an intentional emptiness. Undefined is a data type that means undefined. Undefined is automatically assigned when a variable is declared but not assigned a value. Big int is a data type for handling large integers. Big int allows accurate representation of large integers that cannot be represented by the number type. Big int literals are represented by appending n to the end of a number. Big int is a type for handling integers of arbitrary size with no range limitations. However, big int and number cannot be directly operated on together, so caution is required. Symbol is a data type used to create unique identifiers. It is created using symbol and can be used as a property of an object. Unlike other primitive types, symbol has unique values, so even with the same content, it is treated as a different symbol. Object types are data structures that can store multiple values. An object is a collection of key-value pairs and can have properties and methods. Object is a collection of properties, key-value pairs, that can store various types of data. Objects are represented by curly braces, and each property is connected by colon between the key and value. Array is a list that holds multiple values in an ordered manner. Arrays are represented by square brackets, and values are separated by commas. Each element is accessed using an index that starts at 0. Functions are a type of object and reusable blocks of code. Functions can be defined using the function keyword. JavaScript also has built-in object types such as date, regexp, map, and set. These handle data according to specific use cases. Implicit and explicit type conversions are frequently performed in JavaScript. JavaScript may automatically convert types when performing operations between different types. In this example, the number 5 is implicitly converted to a string, resulting in the string 55 inches. Developers can also perform type conversions explicitly. In this example, the number function is used to explicitly convert the string 123 into the number 123. In JavaScript, you can use the type of operator to check the data type of a variable. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.